Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of The Concept Guy. And recently those who have enrolled in the NPTEL course of Aspen Plus simulation software, they have got an email, and in this email they have provided the Aspen Plus software download link from the Google Drive, as well as the installation, the NPTEL team for their particular time. And but there was some problem, and most of us face this problem. So in this video I'm going to tell how you can still download it for the course duration, the Aspen Plus software. And so first you will be provided this link, and then you have to click on this link, and you will get up here. It will open in Google Drive, and here as you can see, this is the file. It is a zip version file, so you need to unzip it. But before that, first we need to download it. So let's just open this up, and as you can see, here it cannot preview the file because it's a zip file. Okay, and you can open in zip extractor or something else, but yes, let's first download it. So when we just click on download, you can see this message comes up here that download quota exceeded for this file. Okay, when you click on download, it will say exceeded for this file, so you cannot download it at present. That really means that a lot of people have already downloaded it, and there is some restriction that more people cannot download it at present. Okay, so this quota is because this particular file has so many downloads, and the download quota has actually exceeded because there were so many people asking for this software, and finally when the zip file is available, the quota is exceeded. But in this video I'm going to show how to actually still download it, and that is I will give also the proof of the download. So you cannot download it at present. This whole thing is just stuck, and many of you guys commented that what to do and how we can get this. A very simple method I'm going to tell you now. So before that, just subscribe the channel so that you actually get updates related to the channel, as well as so many concepts, upcoming concepts. Okay, so what we really do now is that even up here, if you click, the same message will come. But if you just add a shortcut, okay, what you do is just add a shortcut to your drive itself, and let's say we make a folder. You need to make a folder, that is an important thing, and there is more to it. This is not the only thing. Let's write Aspen Plus NPTEL. Okay, after you make this folder, this folder is empty, so you just have to add shortcut here. But is that the only method? No, definitely not. Okay, I'm going to show you what other things that you need to take care of. Okay, once it is done, you can still cannot download it. Yes, and this is quite frustrating, but this is because it's still open in the same thing. So now if you just open on your drive, where the folders you shortcut you made, this is actually a shortcut, you can see. So now if you open this up and download, it will still show the same error. So what you have to do instead is just follow these steps. Okay, you have to go to my drive and this folder, click on the folder once and right click, and then you need to click on download. But why is this working and that not working? Let me show you. It will prepare the download, the zip file, and you need to wait for some time. Let me just show you that it is still working. Okay, so wait for some time. Come on, it just take because the file is too large, but this will work and I will show you. So stay till the end. Just a minute or so. So what actually this does is that when you just download it from here, it extracts that file and moves it to your drive. okay, because the other folder was actually share with me. So the other folder was actually a particular file, and that particular file has so many downloads, whereas what you did is you transferred that file in your folder, and from your folder uh, only you are only going to download, okay. And also guys, if that method doesn't work, then you just open up the folder, and here if you can see that shortcut file, and you can just make a copy. So when you will create this copy, you can now just move this copy to some else a new folder, and therefore you can just try and download that. Try to download that. It might fail sometimes, but finally you will get to download it, as it will zip the file. So I hope your doubts will be cleared now, okay, and I hope you are able to download. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.